In the world of custom cars, bold builds often command bold asking prices. But this particular Chevrolet Corvette C6 might be one of the most extreme examples yet. Wearing a fully transformed exterior that looks straight out of a Fast and Furious movie, this heavily customized machine is now listed for an eye-watering $94,991. That's nearly $70,000 more than what a normal C6 Corvette typically sells for today. The big question is whether anyone will actually pay that premium. The car in question traces its roots back to 2008, but you wouldn't know it by looking at it. Thanks to a dramatic body kit from Valarra, the once familiar Corvette shape has disappeared entirely beneath an aggressive supercar-like costume. Every factory body panel has been replaced, leaving behind a machine that looks like it was designed from the ground up rather than based on a production model from nearly 2 decades ago. This particular car has had a long journey across the market. According to its VIN history, it first appeared at Mecum Auctions in May 2024, where it crossed the stage but failed to meet its reserve price. Months later, it appeared again on Cars and Bids, drawing attention but once again failing to sell, with bids topping out at $63,475. Despite these repeated attempts, interest has not matched the seller's expectations. Yet today, the car returns on Car Gurus with a price just shy of 6 figures. Beyond the dramatic styling, the mileage tells its own story. The car had around 77,500 miles when it first crossed the auction block last year. Now, it sits at just over 79,200 miles, showing modest use since its previous listings. Whether this adds character or reduces appeal is up to the imagination of the next potential owner. The appearance is undeniably extreme. The redesigned front end features a massive bumper, deep splitter, and oversized air intakes. Thin headlights replace the original unit, exaggerating the exotic supercar influence. Along the sides, new door skins and sculpted panels help complete the makeover. At the rear, the transformation reaches its peak. The rear tires are completely exposed, giving the car a unique race-inspired look. A giant rear wing rises dramatically above the bodywork, paired with a massive diffuser for an unmistakably aggressive presence. But beneath all the theatrical styling, the mechanical heart remains familiar. The car still uses its stock 6.2-liter naturally aspirated LS3 V8. Producing 430 horsepower and 424 pound-feet of torque, the engine may not be shocking by modern supercar standards, but it remains a lively and enjoyable power plant that continues to earn respect among enthusiasts. However, for those expecting the performance to match the extreme looks, the unchanged engine may come as a surprise.